Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix slow-mo camera is not working on iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. If your slow-mo camera is not working on your iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Firstly, open the camera app and you can see appears on screen slow-mo camera is not working. If your slow-mo camera is not working, close the camera app and reopen it again. Simply close the app and reopen it again and you can see problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix and resolve the issues. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find general, little bit scroll up again, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check the camera setting, ensure slow-mo is enabled in camera settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find camera app, little bit scroll up to find camera app and you can see appears on screen record slow-mo. You can see select 180 HD and you can see make sure your slow-mo camera is enabled and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, you can see make sure if solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm this action and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is clean the camera lens. Ensure the camera lens is free from dirt, dust and clean the camera lens from soft cloth or tissue paper and remove the case and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check for the hardware issue. Ensure your iPhone's camera is not damaged or faulty. If your iPhone is dropped down, visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and fix your camera problem. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.